Did you know that you can actually advertise your Amazon product on Amazon if you're selling using an individual account? Now, only professional accounts allow you to advertise your listing using Amazon's pay-per-click advertising. However, there is a way around this. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to advertise on Instagram your product. And Instagram is another great platform that will allow you to get your product out there and to convert more sales. And it doesn't even matter if you have an individual or a professional Amazon account. Let's get started. So the first question that you need to ask yourself is, what product are you going to be advertising? We'll start off by heading to the Amazon Seller Central app on your phone, and then you want to head over to the Manage Inventory tab. Now, once you get here on your phone, you want to find the active listing that you're going to be advertising on Amazon. So as you can see here, here's the iPhone SE cases that I sell as a sample right now. We can click one of those, and then a new screen will appear. From here, you want to select the catalog, and then click View on Amazon. This is going to either take you to a Google Chrome browser or your Safari or whatever web browser you're using, or if you do have the Amazon app, it'll take you directly to the app. Once your listing has appeared, next to the photo in the upper right hand corner, click the share button, and this will bring up another tab here. So at this point, you want to click copy down at the bottom here, and once you click that, it's going to copy the title. It's not going to copy the URL, so we'll have to go ahead and find that. So you want to go to your web browser, and in the search bar or on Google, click paste. This is going to search on Google for your title of your Amazon listing. More than likely, your listing is going to be the first one that pops up, so all you have to do is hold it down and click copy link URL. Now we have the URL, and make sure to go into your notes or somewhere where that you save information and paste this URL into there because we're going to be using it later on. You can also find this URL using your desktop browser. Go onto your desktop browser and sign into your Amazon Seller Central account. In the inventory, you can directly click the title of your listing and it'll take you to the active listing. Then all you need to do is go up to the top and right click and click copy. All right, now let's head over to Instagram where we're actually going to be advertising our listing. So the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom right hand corner and click your thumbnail for your profile. This will bring you to your profile page. And if you're not using an Instagram professional account, you're going to have to follow these few steps because in order to advertise on Instagram, you need to create a professional account. Don't worry, it's free and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So go ahead and click Edit Profile, and this will bring you to a screen which will allow you to switch to a professional account. As you can see under Bio, there's a link that you can select called Switch to Professional Account. Go ahead, click that, and this is going to bring you up to a couple different tabs just to give you some more information on what the professional account offers and also to let you know that it's going to be free. So click Next, and then there's a select a category. What category is your Instagram profile? Is this a personal, professional account? Is this for your business? I'm going to go down to video creator because that's what my account is. For you, it can be as simple as digital creator, entrepreneur, whatever you want it to be. Just select the one that's most relevant. Next, it's going to ask you a few more questions about your specific type of category that you selected. For me, since I'm a video creator, it's asking me, am I a business or am I a creator? I'm just going to select the creator and click Next. A lot of this information really doesn't matter to advertise on Instagram. It's just really setting up your professional account. Now, once you've clicked that, you're complete, and now your account has been converted to a professional account, which is going to allow you to advertise. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a post that we're going to be advertising on Instagram. I usually go back to my Amazon listing and I take a screenshot of that listing page with the price and the image and the title, and that is usually what I use for my first image. To do this is pretty simple. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see the plus sign. Click that and it's going to ask you, do you want to create a post? Do you want to create a story highlight? We are going to be creating a post because that's what we're going to be advertising. Once you select that, it's going to bring you to your photos. You want to select the first photo that is going to be shown as an advertisement. You want to make sure that this picture is going to capture your audience's attention. It's also going to give a good selling point for your product. Now for me, I'm just going to use an image from the Amazon listing itself. It has the title up top. It has a clear image of what this product is. And in the bottom left-hand corner, it also has the price. That is something that a consumer is going to be particularly interested in. And it's a great selling point if they see that this phone case is $5.99, extremely cheap. Now to add more photos, you can just have this one or you can add more photos. To add more photos, you want to click this button here, and you'll see the number one appear here for that image that we just selected. Now all you have to do is go ahead and click the other images that you also want to advertise on your listing. So we're gonna have 5 total. That gives 5 images for someone to swipe through to really make the decision if they want to purchase this or go to the Amazon listing. Now once you've selected all your images or your single image, click next in the upper right hand corner. You can now go ahead and edit your photos if you want to. If you're just having images like this, like a product listing, I don't recommend doing that. Typically you do that before you post any of these images on Amazon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click next and not edit any of them. Next, you're gonna write your caption. So your caption should be something that captures the attention of that consumer and really draws them into your Amazon listing. Now, just since this is a test purpose, I'm just gonna put test, but try to put something very creative there, something that if you were scrolling past this and you read that first line, you would be interested in clicking that purchase now button. Okay, you can add a location or tag people if that's relevant to you. It's not for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click share in the upper right hand corner. Now once you click that, you'll see that your post is now active and it's gonna be on your feed. Let's go back to our profile page and scroll down to that active listing. Now that we see your post here, you'll see some that things are typically different from when you previously posted stuff on Instagram. So now you can view insights, this bottom left-hand corner. We're not gonna go into that today, but we can at a later time. But what we're interested in clicking is the promote button in the bottom right. This is gonna allow us to advertise this listing. Okay, and the destination is the first page that we see here. You're gonna select where you want to send people once they see your post. So we don't wanna send them to our profile or our direct messages. We want to send them to our website. Now our website is the URL for our product listing. So go back to your notes, copy that link for your Amazon listing URL and paste it in here. Okay, and then there's one last thing we have to do on this page before we click done. For the action button, this is really up to you, but I like to click shop now because we are trying to draw them into our Amazon listing and have them convert a sale. So it only makes sense if they see the shop now, they are interested in looking at this product and potentially buying it. So once we click that, we'll click done and then go to next. This brings up your audience. I'm not going to go into detail of how you should select your audience, what particular areas, demographics, all of that stuff, but it does allow you to do that if you click create your own audience. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to click automatic, and Instagram is automatically going to target people like my followers, someone that would be interested in these phone cases. All right, click next. And here is your budget and duration. So this is how much you're willing to spend on a daily basis. And then how long do you want this advertising campaign to run? It's really easy to adjust this and you can always go back and increase the budget or decrease the budget. Now, since this is just a test for this video tutorial, I'm only gonna put $1 for the daily budget. And as you can see right now with a 6-day duration, I'm gonna reach 640 to 1,700 individuals. If we increase that to $10, we can see that the reach increases exponentially really. You know, we're looking at 6,400 to 17,000 potential people, potential impressions. So put what you're comfortable with doing there, and then if you want this advertising campaign to run a while, you can move it to 30 days, or you can decrease it if you want it to be a short duration for maybe a product launch. Okay, once you're happy with your budget, you're happy with the number of impressions that Instagram is estimating for you, just click next, and then you're gonna review your promotion. So at this point, you wanna go ahead and click preview promotion. This is gonna show you 3 different ways to look at it. We're gonna look at the feed, and this is what our post would look like. So in the top hand corner, you see your profile, you see all the images that we posted for this advertisement. And if you look at the bottom, since my first image had the price there, that's clearly shown right next to the shop now button. And then your description would be below that next to your name at the bottom. Okay, if you're happy with that, go back to the review your promotion page and then go down to payment. You're going to have to add your credit card information in here or debit card information so that Instagram has something to bill to. Once you've added your payment, all you have to do is create your promotion. And at this point, you are now advertising your Amazon product on Instagram. All right, guys, you now know how to advertise your product listing on Instagram, regardless if you have an individual or a professional Amazon seller account. I always use Instagram for my new product launches. It's a great way to reach an audience that's not already on Amazon and to convert more sales ultimately. So I appreciate you guys watching today. Make sure to subscribe down below for more future content around selling on Amazon and to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. All right, I will catch you all in the next video.